you're looking for the biggest Hostinger discount available right now, this Hostinger coupon code video is for you, because the deal I'm about to share saves you more than what you see on Hostinger's own pricing page. Right now, Hostinger is running a limited time offer with up to 85% off, plus an extra exclusive 10% off, plus a free domain name, but only if you use the link and coupon code in the description. Quick disclosure before we jump in, the link in the description is an affiliate link. That means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest Hostinger pricing available, and in most cases, lower than going directly to Hostinger's website. Here's why this Hostinger coupon is better than what most people find: up to 85% off hosting, extra 10% off with the exclusive coupon code, free domain name on annual plans, lower pricing than Hostinger's public pricing page, limited time deal, prices can change anytime. If you just Google Hostinger and sign up without this link and Hostinger coupon code, you'll pay more. Here's what Hostinger costs right now using the discount link and coupon code in the description. Premium web hosting as low as $179 per month, best for beginners, personal websites, blogs, small business sites, business web hosting as low as $269 per month, best for faster performance, multiple websites, growing blogs, WooCommerce and WordPress sites. Cloud startup hosting as low as $629 per month, best for high traffic websites, businesses that need speed and reliability, advanced for users or e-commerce sites. You get a free domain name with any annual plan, including 1 year, 2 year, or longer terms. Important note, the monthly plan does not include a free domain, so if you want the best deal, the annual plans are where the real savings are. Hostinger shows discounts on their pricing page, but this link and coupon code unlock extra hidden savings, lower final checkout pricing, stacked discounts you won't see publicly. That's why the price you see at checkout is cheaper than what Hostinger advertises. To lock in this deal, click the Hostinger link in the description. Enter the coupon code at checkout, choose your plan and billing term, complete checkout, and you're set. If you want fast, affordable hosting, a free domain, and one of the biggest Hostinger discounts available, this is the best way to sign up right now. Prices can change at any time, so if you're watching this video and the deal is still live, I'd grab it while you can. Click the link in the description to get the discount.